Ever wondered why every hacker should know and use Linux? Well, there's more to it than meets the eye. You see, Linux is a preferred choice for hackers for a number of reasons. First off, Linux is open source. This means that the source code is freely available to anyone who wants to view or modify it. Hackers can mold this code to suit their own needs, creating an environment that is uniquely tailored to their requirements. But there's more. Linux is also highly transparent. This transparency allows hackers to scrutinize the system down to its very core, understanding its internal workings and identifying potential loopholes. It's like having a blueprint to a building. You can see all the ins and outs, the hidden corners, and know exactly where to strike for maximum impact. So Linux's open source nature and transparency make it a hacker's best friend. But there's more to it. Now, let's delve deeper into the power that Linux offers to hackers. One of the key strengths of Linux is the granular control it offers. This means that hackers can control every single aspect of the system, down to the smallest detail. This level of control is simply not possible with other operating systems. It's like having a superpower that lets you manipulate the very fabric of the digital realm. But that's not all. Did you know that the majority of hacking tools are actually written for Linux? Yes, that's right. This makes Linux the ideal platform for hackers. It's like a treasure trove filled with powerful tools just waiting to be used. Imagine being a carpenter and having access to the most advanced woodworking tools. That's the kind of advantage Linux gives hackers. It's no wonder then that hackers find Linux irresistible. Its power and flexibility, coupled with the vast array of hacking tools it supports, make Linux an essential tool in any hacker's arsenal. With granular control and a myriad of hacking tools at their disposal, hackers find Linux irresistible. Now, you might be wondering, why does the future belong to Linux? Well, it's simple. Linux is fast becoming the backbone of modern technology. It's at the heart of cloud computing, powers the majority of the world's data centers, and is even behind the operating system of most mobile devices. You see, Linux's open source nature makes it incredibly flexible, allowing it to be tailored to any number of applications, from running the servers of the biggest companies in the world to powering your smartphone. This adaptability means Linux is always evolving, always improving, always pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Now, what does this mean for hackers? It means that to stay ahead of the curve, you need to be proficient in Linux. As technology advances, so too does the importance of Linux in the world of computing. Its transparency, granular control, and the fact that most hacking tools are written for it make Linux a hacker's best friend. So not only is Linux powerful and flexible, but it's also the future of computing. So, what does all this mean for hackers and why should they care? Well, it's simple. Linux is the key that unlocks the door of possibilities in the hacking world. It's not just about being open source or having granular control. It's about understanding the very fabric of IT concepts and technologies and having the power to manipulate them at will. We've talked about the importance of Linux for hackers, its power, and how the future belongs to it. But let's not forget that most hacking tools are written for Linux, making it a fundamental requirement for anyone serious about hacking. Moreover, Linux is transparent, letting you see and understand what's happening under the hood, unlike other operating systems that keep you in the dark. But it's not just about hacking. Learning and using Linux can give you a better understanding of computer systems in general. It can make you a better programmer, a better system administrator, or just a better tech enthusiast. So, to be at the top of their game, hackers need to know and use Linux. So, are you ready to embrace Linux? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this.